Hello everyone, my name is Alicia Lott. Welcome to my channel about journaling and goal setting. I have this blank spread here and I'm starting to get toward the end of my journal. I've already made my weekly spread so I can't go back, so I'm going to do my 6-month review and just go over the past few months and see what I did well, what I could have done better, and just focus on goals for January through June of next year. It's not going to be pretty at all. It's just going to be pen and paper. So let's get started. I got my pen. I got my correction tape. Let's just say 6-month review. And I like to put the date. Today is December 10th. I'm just keeping this very simple. I just want to know first, what did I do well? Now I have to think about what I could improve and what I could have done better. What could I have done better? Okay, so this is my 6-month review. Just wanted to do a few bullet points as to what I did well over the past 6 months, or even I think some of it's kind of blurred. Some of it might be over the past year. And then also same thing down here. I did a few bullet points as to what I could have done better. And now what I'm gonna do is just kind of look over everything, and I want to kind of think of a theme or just a commonality between all of the different bullet points for each half of the page. So let me kind of think about that. I think what I did well over the past 6 months is that I created plans, big plans that is. One common theme of all these is that I created really big plans and I followed through on those plans. Committing to doing a YouTube video every week, that's not nothing. That can be challenging. I have tried to make it as low stress for myself as possible, but at the same time, it can still be quite a challenge. Moved from Chicago to Dayton, improving my relationship with my mom, big deal, paying off debt. So yes, a lot of things are kind of bigger, overreaching plans that I had to kind of say, hey, I'm going to do this thing. And then I did that. So I feel like that's the theme here. I feel that once I put a plan in place and once I decide with my full heart that I'm going to do that thing, then I'm very good about doing that and following through. What would I say is the theme of what I could have done better? Settled into blah. There. I feel that my life it's kind of blah right now. I am not social. I have a lot of guilt around money because I'm still in debt. And so it's like I want to push all of my excess money toward debt. That has kind of made me feel a little stifled and not wanting to go out and be social. And just the fact that I'm not a social person anyway, it's just one more excuse. It can be fine. I feel that maybe I'm in kind of a season of hibernation and thinking and planning. Moving to the suburbs, because I said Dayton, but we're actually south of Dayton. We're in the suburbs. That has not been a great experience for me. I think I can work on that for the coming year. So now I'm going to put my goals on this side, my goals for January through June of 2024. But all of this, I'm going to copy on a sheet of paper and I'm going to hang it up on my wall because once this journal is over, it's very unlikely that I'm going to come back and review this. So I want to put this somewhere where I'll actually see it on a regular basis. So put January 1st through June 30th. 2024. So yes, this is my 6-month review. This is what I want to do going forward for the first 6 months of next year. I will probably do a large list of everything that I want to do for the entire year of 2024, but planning for the future is really difficult for me sometimes. Okay, 1 year in advance, okay, I can kind of do, but planning, say 4 or 5 years in advance, everyone seems to have this 5-year plan. I cannot do that. I can manage 6 months without it being too scary. I feel like if I can get through the first 6 months of the year, get everything on track, then I'll be good for the last 6 months of the year and into 2025. Health and wealth. I wish you health and wealth for 2024. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you a wonderful rest of December and beginning of 2024. Upside down wave goodbye.